So what you'll need is a can of sweet corn, some butter and some salt, and that's it for the buttered popcorn. But I also like to add a couple of ingredients: some garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder for the kick, paprika powder, because I love paprika powder. The paprika powder for me is basically like olive oil is for Jamie Oliver. Some grated cheese, and finally chives. I usually put some parsley in it, but I didn't have it at home, so I thought I'm going to try it out with some chives. Let's do this! So first of all, take a pan and put it on a fire. As usual, take a good amount of butter and put it in there and let the butter melt. In the meanwhile, I drained the corn of all of its liquid. So once the butter has melted, we're going to add the corn. Give it a good stir so that everything is covered with the butter. And let it fry for a minute or two. If you think you don't have enough butter, you can always add a little bit more. Now let's season everything with a little bit of salt, a bit of chili powder, paprika powder, and garlic powder. Give everything a nice stir. At this point you can lower your fire to medium-low. Now let's add the cheese, as much as you want, and the chives. Turn off the fire and give everything a final stir so that everything is nice and incorporated. And there you go.